Hello, fellow traders. This is Altcoin Apex with you. As you can see from the title, I'll be looking at three major altcoins that I'm looking at and watching. Let's start with the Near protocol first. I have few scenarios, actually two scenarios that we should be playing out. Uh, Trading is game of probabilities. And my previous video, we talked about Near and this resistance area. You guys remember we couldn't clear it even then. Here we couldn't clear it. It's about 3.2 3.3 area, and we had the similar rejection right here also. And now let me clear this one out. I'm looking at these two scenarios because what I'm seeing on the daily, I'm not liking it very much. This last candle close tells us a lot of story. So if we cannot clear it, you see this, if we cannot clear this high, which is sitting at 3.1, if we cannot clear it, we have a chance, a good chance that we might form something like this. So from here, we got rejected. We got supported at 21 SMA, get back, but we couldn't clear this area, right? So it might get back here and consolidate or even reject slightly farther. Because even the Bitcoin dominance here, let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Even the Bitcoin dominance is lower. Other coins are pumping, but Near, because of its tokenomics, it's struggling a little bit because there are always new coins issued, and yeah, it might have that scenario. But the second scenario I'm watching, if this doesn't play out and we somehow clear this area around $3, this area, right? If we clear this area, the second scenario I'm watching, which is more likely also, it's possible, is we got supported, we clear it, get rejected on the previous resistance at 3.2, and then try one more time. This is a likely scenario I am watching. It's not guaranteed, but until we clear it, I'm not opening trade. So just be careful. Now, let's go to Injective. Injective is looking much healthier, and we are almost already clearing my previous resistance. You guys remember our video last week? I made a video about this resistance zone, right? Now we are trying to clear this. It's around 15 and a half area. If we clear it, then we have a beautiful market structure to follow because this trend line on the weekly chart, our next resistance here, this arrow is still here. Our next resistance will be somewhere about, where are we? $33, because that's the previous rejection and a huge resistance zone. I think this will be an area to look at because we could easily double as soon as we clear. Um, Wait 1 second. As soon as we clear this trend line, okay? So far it's looking healthy. Yes, in the short term, in hourly or 4 hourly, we might have little bit of pullbacks, uh, simply because RSI is slightly high. It might correct. We might have a little bit of a pullback to 14.7, 14.8, but it shouldn't. I'm not expecting a crash per se, right? So Near, I'm avoiding until we clear. Injective, I'm okay with it as long as there are pullbacks. I'll be buying. But actively trading and holding BNB right now. I'm liking what I'm seeing with the BNB. We clear my trend line. Market structure looking healthy. Let's go to the weekly chart. I will tell you one thing about BNB. BNB, when everything was pumping and dumping, we were consolidating all the way in this support zone. Previously was resistance here. How many times? How many times we tried to cross above it, and we finally did it, guys, on the BNB coin. Not many people talks about. It's not the most hyped coin. However, we finally clear it. Yes, there might be a give me 1 second. There might be something like this just to have a little pullback. It's healthy and stay even a little bit on this zone for a while, okay, and then push. But from what I see right now, it's looking much healthier than most of the other coins. RSI on the weekly is healthy, and we just finished off, you can say, either W formation or a cap and handle formation right in this zone. This is our huge support. And even in the bear market, I don't think we'll pierce through this. We might come here and consolidate. But right now, we are breaking out. I'm actively holding it. Most of my BNBs are staked anyway. But yes, as soon as we break out, I double down on it. And I'm expecting at least Bitcoin's area of price range. Like Bitcoin is 119,000. BNB could reach 1,120, $1,119, and this is a very realistic price target. I think it could easily do that as long as we stay with Bitcoin dominance chart, which we will take a look. As healthy as we are, I have a channel right here, like a wedge. As soon as we break this, I'm expecting next support zone on Bitcoin dominance is here, right in this area. So once we clear this zone, we're gonna go to this area. And this should give us, I don't think it will go that low, but somewhere here, I would say. So around 45, 50, somewhere here. And I'm ready to exit all my altcoin positions once we reach around 50% on Bitcoin dominance. And I urge you guys to be a little bit cautious with weaker coins, which has infinite supply and bad tokenomics. And you might be wondering why we're not pumping with other altcoins, smaller altcoins, even though Bitcoin dominance is dumping, because of the things that I mentioned. Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, and bigger coins just like that, sucking up, like XRP, for example, Solana, sucking up most of the liquidity, most of the money is going to bigger coins. Right after that, it will be released to the smaller coins. So you have to be patient and play your hand smartly. In any case, it was a nice time to talking to you guys, and I will see you on the next video.